Hi, this is Noah from Sheartak. In this video, I will be showing you how to properly replace the cutter head for your Craftex CX08BTHC bench jointer. First, remove the cutter head guard by taking out the two screws that hold it in place. On the other side, remove the fins by unscrewing the 4 screws that hold it in place. Next, remove all 8 screws holding the in-feed and out-feed plates in place. This will give you better access to the cutter head. Unscrew the one screw that mounts the belt guard in place. Once it's loose, you can take off the guard. Now, detach the belt from the pulley. This may be challenging, so you might require a wrench to help lift the belt out of the grooves. On the short end of the shaft, remove the snap ring using a snap ring puller. Now use a wrench to unscrew the pulley. If you need to hold the cutter head to prevent it from rotating, make sure you're wearing thick gloves. Remove the 3 screws that holds the bearing retainer in place. Do this for both sides. Pull off the bearing retainer along with the bearing on the shorter side of the shaft. For the pulley side of the shaft, begin to loosen the retainer. If the bearing and the retainer are firmly in place, use a bearing puller to completely remove it from the shaft. Carefully lift the cutter head out of the frame, and we're now ready to install the new cutter head. To avoid injuries, first remove all the carbide insert from the new cutter head. Place the new cutter head into the frame, and screw in the bearing retainer and bearing to secure it in place. Hammer the bearing plate into the machine. Bolt in the bearing plate. Reattach a snap ring to the shaft. Repeat the steps to attach a bearing plate on the side with the pulley. Screw in the pulley and reattach the belt. Secure the belt guard by screwing it in place. Reinstall the in-feed plate and out-feed plate by screwing the 8 screws and hold them in place. You can adjust the out-feed table by screwing the 4 screws under it. Now carefully reinstall all the carbide inserts. Now attach the fins by screwing in the 4 screws. Lastly, reattach the cutter head guard and you're done reassembling. Here is the test cut with our newly installed spiral cutter head. We hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions or concerns, visit us at www.sheartak.com and feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.